Hi everyone, happy Saturday. We are here to test out a new tasty treat called chickpea truffles. 3 easy ingredients. We've got chickpeas, we have peanut butter, we're using PB2 just to make it a little healthier, and chocolate chips.
Yeah, and before we get started, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel, and let's get to it.
All right, so we blended all 3 ingredients, and now, according to the recipe, we're supposed to be able to scoop it out and like roll it into a pretty ball and put it on this baking sheet. But I gotta tell you, I don't think.
Yeah, it's literally liquid, basically.
I'm not gonna put that in my hand and roll it around in a ball, right? So what we're gonna do.
It have nails. I don't want
Right.
it to get in the nails.
So what we're gonna do, we'll just take a spoonful, Cece, and we'll dollop it here because we're just freezing this anyway.
Can I try to?
Yeah. We'll do it until it runs out.
So do I just like put it in my hand?
No, don't put it in your hand. Do what I'm doing. There.
But the recipe says we're supposed to roll it in the bowl.
But we're not gonna.
But I want to try
No,
to.
it's gonna get all over your hands. We're not gonna do it that way. Bigger.
Okay.
Like that. There you go.
That's a lot. Oh.
All right, so we're gonna do this until it's gone, and then we'll come back and check in.
Mine isn't as good as hers, but yeah, we'll make it work.
Making it work, making it happen. All right. Okay. So we've got as much out of the blender as, as we can. We did our best, right?
Mm-hmm.
It tastes good.
Yeah, it tastes excellent.
So we're gonna go ahead and freeze these. And then when we're done freezing them, when they're frozen, we are going to dip them in warm melted chocolate.
And that's gonna be boost.
And we'll give them a taste test. Right, Cece? All right, we'll see you soon.
Bye.
Hey y'all, I just checked on these truffles and they're not quite frozen yet, but I realized now that they're a little harder, I am able to handle them a lot better. So I'm gonna roll them into balls really quick right now. And then I'll put them back in the freezer for a little while. And then I'll put the chocolate coating on. So I think we've just sort of fixed whatever error it was that we made. So yeah, great. Hey everybody. So these just came out of the freezer. I've melted some chocolate chips. Shout out to Ashley and Kendall for giving me instructions on how to do that properly. I think I nailed it. So now I'm just going to see if I can roll these around and cover them in chocolate like so. How exciting. I don't use too much chocolate on one. I guess that's kind of the idea or whatever, but okay. So I'm gonna keep doing this to all of these and then they're gonna go back in the freezer to harden and we will try them out. All right, y'all, I just pulled these from the freezer. You saw that I ended up running out of chocolate. Oh well, I tried my best. This is what it looks like so far. I am gonna sprinkle a little bit of coconut, maybe on just half of them. Cece doesn't really like coconut, so I don't know, just to give them a little sweetness, a little bit of color. They look so good. We're gonna test it, okay? The chocolate looks so much better than last week, let me tell you. Okay, let me grab this one here. Are we ready? Let's do this. The chocolate crunched so nicely. The middle is so creamy and so good.